How to take money out of stocks on Cash App. I'm going to show you how you can easily take money out of stocks on the Cash App. First, launch the Cash App on your smartphone or tablet. Then, look for the Investing tab or icon on the app's main screen and tap on it. This will take you to your investment portfolio. You will see a list of all the stocks you currently own on Cash App. Now, locate the specific stock you want to sell and tap on it. On the stock's detail page, you will see options to buy or sell. Next, tap the Sell button to proceed. Cash App allows you to sell all your shares in a particular stock or a specific amount. You can choose between Sell All. This option disposes of your entire holding in that stock. After that, enter the specific number of shares you want to sell in the designated field. Double-check the details of your sale, including the stock name, quantity, and estimated sale price. Once everything looks accurate, tap Sell to confirm the transaction.